Now we are in the capital of Vijayanagara Empire, Hampi. Vijayanagara साम्राज्य के सुस्वागत. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of Tind and Travel. Hampi series starts here. As usual, started very early. After traveling 62 kilometers, we reached Coffee Day, stopping here for having a coffee break. So the last time also we stopped same place.
Yeah,
You know the name of this place?
Dover's Pit.
Dover's Pit. Yeah.
Nice.
Mango shot.
That's why I thought I can eat it. It's a shot now. It will make me wake up.
After coffee break, we are starting from here.
Yes.
Another 292 kilometers. It will take around 5 hours to reach Hampi. We have taken a diversion from Chitradurga. Now we are passing through Davanagere Highway. Traveled around 325 kilometers and reached near to Tungabhadra Reservoir viewpoint. Time is just 6 o'clock. You can see left side. This is the Tungabhadra Reservoir. Very beautiful water body on the way to Hampi. From here it is 23 kilometers to Vijayavitala Temple. Our first destination is Vijayavitala Temple. We stopped here for capturing few beautiful visuals of Tungabhadra Reservoir. This is the beautiful view of Tungabhadra Reservoir. Tungabhadra Dam was constructed across Tungabhadra River, a tributary of Krishna River, located in Hosapete, Vijayanagara district of Karnataka. It is just like an ocean. It is very difficult to identify the other end. You can see the view.
It's infinite. Right?
That's right, yeah. Wow. Beautiful is not the word.
But to me it's a little scary because I always feel like when I look away, I'm about to fall.
Nothing, Nanda. There is a proper fencing here.
Yeah.
This place, no, it's not that Nanda.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
see
so
this?
scared.
Wow, awesome! If you are going to Hampi, don't miss this place. This is such a fantastic place. From here it is 23 kilometers to Hampi, Vijayavitala Temple. This is the Hampi Express Highway. On the way you can spot this place. Such a fantastic place. Wow. There is a tree park here. Gunda Tree Park. We are not visiting there. See, this is the wide view. Very nice. This is the Gunda Tree Park. We are not visiting this place now. From here we are heading to Vijayavitala Temple, Hampi. Now we are continuing to Hampi. Very nice weather. This is Hampi Express Highway. From here another 22 kilometers.
Vijayanagara ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ.
Yeah, we are entering Vijayanagara district.
Yes.
Can you see a long view of a tunnel? We need
Yeah.
to go through that tunnel.
That's so cool.
Light inside, there is
Yeah, I can see.
Awesome.
see that's a small mountain, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a small mountain. We
Oh.
need to pass through this mountain. There is a small tunnel. Yeah, we are entering the tunnel.
Yay!
How's the experience, Nanda?
Awesome. It's like a metro.
Oh, it's not
underground.
ending. See the light?
Yeah.
Wow.
You cannot say it's infinite, it's like finite.
Yes, we are done.
I think I know where we're going, to that bridge.
Yeah. See the view of the sun?
Yes, look at that orangish golden.
Wow,
Awesome.
nice view. So sun is welcoming us to the Vijayanagara Empire.
Yes.
See some more closer view.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Love it.
It's a misty atmosphere, right?
Yeah.
We are reaching the historical temple town, Hampi.
Yes.
So this is a monument, protected monument. See this,
Yeah.
a mandap. Once you reach here, everywhere you can see the ruins of the ancient temples and monuments.
Yeah.
This is the another protected monument. It is another 12 kilometers to our first destination, Vitala Temple. Welcome to Vijayanagar main entrance. Kamalapura town. See the beautiful view of this lake, Kamalapura lake. Due to time constraint, we are not stopping here. You can see the view. More attractions to come, Nanda.
Okay.
This is just a starting.
Right.
See, this is the scene here.
Oh my god.
Everywhere you can see the boulders, small hilltops with boulders. See, everywhere ruins of some temples or some monuments. This is again another monument, Talari Ghatta Gate.
Oh.
So this was a toll gate in Hampi. They used this place for collecting the toll.
Oh.
This is also now a protected monument. We are about to reach the famous ancient Vijay Vitala temple. We are searching for the parking place. Left side you can see the parking area. We entered the parking area. We will park our car here. So this is the Gajjala Mandapa. So we are entering the historical site, protected monument Gajjala Mandala. This is on the way to Vijay Vitala temple. Wow, very nice structure. Nice. Now we are in front of Gajjala Mandapa or Utsava Mandapa, one of the group of monuments UNESCO World Heritage Site, Hampi. From here we are heading to the next site.
Yes.
Looks like long way to Vitala temple. 800 meters to Vitala temple, Nanda.
Okay.
Almost 1 kilometer. Are you ready to walk?
Okay.
This group of monuments spread over 4,100 hectares in Hampi. Everywhere you can see the boulders or some monuments. If you want to see all the monuments and the temples, It will take minimum 1 or 2 weeks, but we are trying to cover the very important monuments and the places in Hampi. Now we are going to the Vijay Vittala temple. This is another monument on the way to Vittala temple. Kudregomba Mandapa. This is also a very beautiful structure. This is also known as Horse Figure Pavilion. You can see the pillars. There is a shrine.
Oh my god, how many monuments are here?
These are group of monuments, Nanda. This is another monument, Pushkarani, on the way to Vittala temple. The large 16th century tank, that is Pushkarani. See the entrance,
Yeah.
nicely decorated with the stone carvings, pillars.
Yeah.
What is there?
Yeah.
Wow. It's a pond or tank. Beautiful. Right?
Yeah.
How's it, Nanda?
Love it.
Just started. So many things more to see. Now we are going to Vijay Vittala temple, but not sure in between some other monuments we will find. See, Nanda, that side,
Yeah.
all are ancient structures. After walking 1 kilometer, we reached the Vijay Vittala temple complex. This is the entrance, you can see. Here also so many attractions are there. Right side of the Vittala temple, before we entering into the temple, we can see Vittala Bazaar. Vittala temple complex has car street on all 4 sides. So we are entering the famous Vittala temple. This is the entrance. See the structure here.
Yeah.
Once you enter the temple complex, the first thing you can see is stone chariot. Now we are in Vijay Vittala temple, Hampi, the UNESCO World Heritage Site, the capital of Vijayanagara Empire. Nanda,
Yeah.
this is the iconic structure of Hampi.
Yeah.
Have you seen anywhere this one?
Nah.
It is there in the 50 rupees currency. I will show you.
Oh.
This is the stone chariot, the iconic structure of Hampi.
No way.
See this?
Oh.
This chariot temple is dedicated to Garuda, the vehicle of Lord Vishnu. This is the other famous structure inside this temple complex. musical pillars.
Oh. Tiny.
So this is the musical pillars. There are 56 pillars with Saptaswara,
Okay.
but they are not allowing us to enter inside. See the fascinating beauty, the architecture.
Yeah.
There are lot of monuments inside this temple complex. You need to come over here and witness the real beauty.
Yeah.
This group of monuments contains so many structures and so many temples inside.
Yeah.
So it is very difficult to explain in this video.
Yeah.
These are all the details of the inscription.
Oh.
This is another entrance. This is the main temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu, Vittala. But you can't find the Vittala idol inside. That is there in a temple located in Maharashtra.
Oh.
You can't find a idol inside.
What the?
Let's go inside and see. Shami, you want to come?
It's kind of freaking me out.
Yeah. It's very dark inside. See? I don't think you can see properly.
Yeah.
See, this is the famous ancient Vijayavitala temple.
Ma, was there olden days inscription Kannada? Yeah, I think so. Okay, that was not so fascinating.
These are all the inscriptions. See the carvings.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Wow, so beautiful. Here you can see another entrance. This is another gate to the temple. Wow. See the elephants, no, the
Ooh,
different style poses of elephants.
neat.
This is another temple here inside the Vittala temple complex. This is not the temple, this is a pavilion.
Ish.
This is a pavilion. Here also you can see the carvings, the beautiful carvings in all the pillars. See this,
Yeah.
the view from this side. Wow. See this. This is another structure inside this complex. Let us go inside and see. Wow, this is also a temple. See the view from this side.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Hallways, gateway, towers and pavilions make this temple very beautiful. Vittala temple was built in 15th century and many of the rulers tried their best to further enhance the beauty of this temple. The main attraction of the Vijayavithala temple complex is the stone chariot. It is considered as the iconic structure of Hampi. This temple is also a venue for the famous festival, Purandaradasa festival, that is held annually. The Vitala temple is presumed to be the grandest of all temples and monuments in Hampi. The temple exemplifies the immense creativity and the architectural excellence possessed by the sculptors and artisans of the Vijayanagara era. This temple was built during the period of Devaraya II in 15th century. These stone carvings speaks a ton about the craftsmanship of the sculptors who built these complex structures. If you are visiting Hampi, this is one of the most important attractions to see. Stone chariot. This is the iconic structure of Hampi. The Vitala temple in Hampi is an ancient monument that is well known for its exceptional architecture and unmatched craftsmanship. It is considered to be one of the largest and most famous structure in Hampi. The temple is located in the northeastern part of Hampi near the banks of the Tungabhadra river. This temple is regarded as the most ornate of the Vijayanagara temples. The temple comprises of several attractions that makes it a must-visit structure for tourists. In fact, it is the most visited monument and most photographed monument in Hampi. It will take time to see or witness each and every architecture or the structures inside the temple complex. But due to the time constraint, we are heading to the next destination. Let's go.
Yeah.
Now going on. Stay tuned for more attractions from Hampi in the upcoming episodes. With this, I'm ending this episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.